How to fix Discord that keep crashing. Today guys, I have the solution how to fix and solve this problem. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. First, now you have to go and open the settings of your phone. After this, go to apps. Here on apps you will find all the applications that you have on your phone, so you will search now just for Discord. And on Discord, go directly to storage and go to clear data. Click OK and go back and click on force stop and click OK. And the last thing is to go into Play Store and updating your Discord again. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, also subscribing in our channel. See you in another video.